Today I wanted to talk to you about Incognito Mode. Many of you probably already know what it is and that it's available in most web browsers and various apps, and it offers privacy for our online activities, but when it comes to younger internet users, this feature presents unique challenges and concerns. But for those who don't know, it's important to first understand what Incognito Mode is and its intended purpose. The term incognito refers to a feature in a web browser and some other applications that allow users to browse the internet without their activities being recorded in a browser history. This feature is known by various names: Incognito Mode in Google Chrome, private browsing in Firefox and Safari, and so on. But how does it actually work? When you open a new incognito window in a browser like Chrome or engage in private viewing in an app like YouTube, the browser creates a separate session that is distinct from your regular browsing. During this session, the browser doesn't save any record of the websites that you visit, the searches that you make, or the forms that you fill out. Typically, when you visit a website, it stores cookies on your device, which helps in remembering your preferences, login details, and other browsing behavior. However, in Incognito Mode, once you close your browser window, these cookies are automatically deleted. But there are myths and misconceptions about what Incognito Mode can and cannot do. Many people believe that Incognito Mode offers complete anonymity or privacy, and this is a misconception. While Incognito Mode prevents the storage of your browser history, cookies, and site data on your device, it doesn't make you invisible on the internet. Your internet service provider, employer, or the websites can still have access to your data. So although we can benefit from the privacy that Going Incognito offers, we have to remember that it doesn't conceal everything, and that's especially important when it comes to how kids and teens use it. We all know that curiosity is a driving force for kids in the online and offline world. Nothing has changed in that respect since we were kids. And now as our own kids are growing up, they're using internet instead of encyclopedias to understand the world around them. But they're also using it to explore different areas and facets of their identity. And this is the big thing. Incognito Mode is seen as a safe space for this exploration from judgment, free from prying eyes. However, the adolescent brain is also inclined towards risk-taking. And when kids and teens believe they are completely anonymous, they may feel emboldened to explore parts of the internet that are simply not safe for them. This can include exposing themselves to inappropriate content like adult material, extreme ideologies, or sites that encourage harmful behavior. Also, this feeling of anonymity can lead them to interact with online predators, not realizing that their basic digital footprint can still be traced. Or they may ignore basic internet safety rules, like not sharing personal information or being cautious about clicking on links under the false assumption that Incognito Mode will protect them. So what can we do to help our kids realize that Incognito Mode is not a shield against all of the dangers of the internet? Well, I'm a big believer in parental control apps. Some devices will allow you to restrict Incognito Mode and make sure that your kids can't access it, but they will still be able to download apps and browsers like Brave, for example, that will let them browse anonymously. I use FamiSafe to limit the apps my kids can install with their app blocker feature. There's also a range of other features designed to help parents monitor and manage their kids' internet use, like the browser history and activity reports features that let you see what websites they've tried to access and what apps they have tried to download, and you can block inappropriate content by setting up web filter and safe search features. All of these things can help in making sure your kids and teens stay safe online, but the goal is not to invade privacy but to ensure safety. Just remember that the earlier you start these conversations about online safety and the necessary monitoring, the better. Make sure you keep it age appropriate though. They don't need to know everything when they are still little, but they still need to know that there are dangers out there. Talk about the reasons behind rules and restrictions and try to encourage critical thinking about the information and content they encounter online and what they might or should do about it. And finally, try to create an environment where your child feels comfortable sharing their online experiences with you. If you remain open to talking about these things with your kids, then you will be their first port of call in a storm. Remember, the journey of digital parenting is ongoing, and staying informed is the key to navigating it successfully. Every day brings with it new technology that can threaten to envelop our families before we know what is even happening. Please don't wait until it's too late to make sure that you're clued in, because otherwise your kids will find out things before you do, and once they've opened that Pandora's box, there's no closing it. Don't forget, FamiSafe is here keeping your kids safe online, so subscribe for more content like this and we'll help you keep you in a loop. Head over to our website to take a look at the cool features that FamiSafe offers, and also try our app for free. I'll drop a link in the description. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Share it if you can, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!